Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So I'm going to be starting some English daisy seeds today, and you can see what English daisies look like here. They're these adorable little button type flowers, and they bloom from about like spring through early summer. They are perennial, and let's see here, what zone? Well, I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, and I know that they are perennial in my growing zone. So you want to grow these in like part shade. So we're going to get some seeds of these started here today. Now these can bloom in about 100 to 300 days. So they might bloom the first year, they might bloom like the second year from seed. But these are so cute when they bloom. So we're going to get these sown here. Now the first thing that I did with these, I actually bought these last year, and I didn't get to plant the seeds, so I've had them in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag, chilling down. And I recommend for like any type of perennial that you take your seeds and you chill your seeds down for 2 weeks before you plant them. It helps break the dormancy, and your seeds come up much faster. You get a better germination rate on them. So you can see what these little seeds look like here. They're very, very small. Let me put my pack over here. So we moved our planting into the house, and what we do is once we have our stuff planted out, we take it right out to the greenhouse then for germination and growing. It's just a lot easier to work off of the table in here. You can see the seeds are right here. And I'm just going to push this into the soil here. We're going to give just a teensy bit of a light covering here. Not much. Not even like 1/8 of an inch. You could even surface sow them if you chose to. So once these are planted then and they go out to the greenhouse, we take the mist on the watering wand and we go ahead and we mist over the tops of our seed flats to get our seeds nice and moist. So I'll have a link down in the description for the seed starting mix that I use and the plant tags that I use. I'm going to finish getting these planted up here. These will go on the floor in the greenhouse. I have radiant heat in my greenhouses, so that's my germination mat. And in, I believe it was 7 to 14 days, let's see here. Yeah, 7 to 14 days. These will start coming up. Now check them every single day. Mine do come up sooner, and that's because I chill my seeds before I sow them. So I have grown these before from seed many years ago, and I bought some plants last year that were already growing and I liked them so much that I decided to go ahead and buy some seeds. So as soon as these start coming up, I will come back and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is January 31st, 2023, and we were checking on the flats on the floor here today, and you can see the English daisies have started germinating. There's one right there, and then there's one over there. So you can see here how we germinate our flats on the floor. I have radiant heat in my floor, so that's my germination mat, and we just put the cells in trays, and then we put a loose fitting lid over top of it. And when they start coming up, what we do is we take them up and then up here under our lights, and that'll prevent tall spindly seedlings. These were planted about 3 days ago, and that's the advantage of when you pre-chill your perennial seeds. before you plant them. It helps break that dormancy on the seed when it gets into the moisture and the warmth. So these will be coming up to the shelves up top to keep these seedlings here nice and short. So I just want to give you this quick video update up on these, and I will have links down in my description for the lights that I use in my greenhouses, and they are on for 14 hours a day. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!